Hey you guys, so I am back with another video. In this video I'll be doing my second Shop Hush haul. You guys, when I say I am so addicted to that website and I'm like I need to just take a break, step away and just not shop on there, but I can't help it because they're always dropping brand new products and the price is just really affordable. So I just kind of feel like I'm trying different brands, you know, and I'm trying it at a really good price and I get free shipping through the app. So I did pick up some more stuff for a second haul and I probably will have like a third haul coming really soon. But if you guys want to see what I picked up my second go around, then of course just keep watching. Alright, so starting off, I'm going to have a mixture of like face primers, highlighters, eyeshadow palette, lip products, and like a face product. So I'm just going to dig in the box and keep going. I wanted to make sure I picked products from like each category because the way the app is broken down, you have like your best sellers, you have your new arrivals, you have products that's like $2 and under, you have your eye section, your eyeshadow section, you have like your lip section, your lip care, you have your highlighters, your bronzers, your blushes, your face products. They even have like skincare products on there. So I tried to just grab some stuff from each section. I didn't get to all sections, but I got like, you know, a good amount. So first thing we have, it's by The Ordinary. I haven't heard about this brand, but it's called The Ordinary. It is their high adherence silicone primer. And it says it's high adherence, it's blurring, surface smoother primer. This one, it is a silicone consistency, and this is what the actual packaging look like. So really cute and luxurious looking. And yeah, I kind of figured I would try it out because I want to say on the app it said it was hydrating, and you guys know when it comes to primers, my preference is silicone primers. So when I saw there was a silicone primer, I was like, you know what? Just try it out. Let's just see how we like it. And again, it's from the brand called The Ordinary. So haven't heard about them, but you know, we'll put this bad boy to the test really soon. So I did get that item. Moving on, I did pick up the LA Girl Pro Powder. I have it in the color Banana Yellow. I honestly feel like saying I might be wrong, but I want to say this is one of the ones that Casey Holmes talked about in her Best of Beauty video. I might be wrong, but I feel like this is what it was. And I do love their concealers and I do love like their lip glaze lip products. So I kind of figured let me kind of like branch off and try some more products from them. So I did pick up this one just to kind of like set under my eyes. It is a setting powder. And again, I did get it in the color called Banana Yellow. So super excited to try this product out. And again, you guys will see this like in a first impressions video. So super excited about this purchase. And my next face product is actually by Kokie Cosmetics. My Walmart actually carried their brand, but I went ahead and just bought it online. This is the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer, and I got it in the color called, I'm not sure what color this is, Deep Tan. And it does look like it'll be the perfect color for under my eyes. I haven't tried anything from this brand at all, so I'm super excited to actually try this brand out. Again, my Walmart does carry their brand, so I'll probably pick up like a few more things from the actual line. But it does have a doe foot applicator. And again, the color looks like it'll be the perfect color to set under my eyes. So we shall see how we like this concealer. Moving on to like other like face products, I do have two highlighters here with me. You guys know in my first Shop Hush haul I did talk about Nabby, and I did get their bronze like their bronze powder. I told you guys their bronzer is more of a highlighter for me versus an actual bronzer because it has that shimmer in there. So since I liked the first one that I featured in my first impressions video, I figured I'll pick up another one from the brand. So I did, and this is just what it looks like. Really pretty highlighter. Packaging is the exact same like last time. If I can get it open, and here it is. Let me swatch it for you guys. So that's just what it looks like. So cannot wait to try it. I probably won't buy another one because I do want to try more like other highlighter options, but I did pick up one more because I did like the first initial highlighter that I tried from them. Next one, it is by Italian Deluxe. It's their Glow Glam Baked Illuminating Highlighter. This one does not have a color name either. It does say you can use it dry or wet for a more pigmented look, and you can use it dry for a more sheer look. So this is just what the packaging looked like. Really pretty like rosy brownish color. And let's open her up. This is what it looks like. So really pretty, like, it's like a pretty golden color. And this is the swatch of that one. Look at that. That is so pretty. So I cannot wait to play with it. Looking on my hand, it does look like a pinkish golden color is what it looks like, more like on the pink side. So cannot wait to play with that color and see what it looks like on my face. All right, moving on. I do have two eyeshadow palettes. The first one is by NYX. It's their Cosmic Metals eyeshadow palette. This is just what it looks like. So it's more of like a warm tone eyeshadow palette. Cannot wait to play with this. I do have it closed still, so we'll save the swatches for like a first impressions video. But yeah, I did pick this palette up and it was super inexpensive, so cannot wait to play with this palette. And then I'm gonna save this palette for last. Moving on to like my lip products, I did pick up some more lip glosses from Cleon Color. It's their Mally Matte Lip Gloss, and again I did pick up some more colors. Unfortunately, with the packaging, when you take off the wrapping, the names comes off, so I apologize about that. But I did get more because they're $1, so you know, you can't beat that price. But this one is like a dusty rose pink color, which I thought was really pretty. Right here, you guys know I prefer any kind of pink that has like the brown hues in there. Is just like my personal preference. The next one, it is by Cleon Color again. This one is more on the brown side, which I cannot wait to play with. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Do you guys see that? That is so freaking cute. It almost looks like True Brown K, just a gloss version is what it looks like to me. And then moving on, the next one by Cleon Color, it is another brown lip gloss. I wanted to get more like brown tones this go around because the last go around I got more like purple colors, so I wanted to get like more brown tones. This one is more of like on the brownish red brick side, but it's still a really pretty color, which is right here. So pretty. And then moving on to the next one. This one again is by Cleon Color. It's the Mally Matte Lip Gloss. This is like your red brick. That is so pretty. Oh my god, you guys. And these are only $1. There it is right there. So freaking pretty. And then the next one is another color by them. Again, I don't know the name. I apologize. I'll just put the names from my little packaging order in the description box below. And here is this color. It's like a lighter brown right up here. And then the next one that I have is like a grayish color. And I want to say I probably got this one for free because I would never pick this color. So I think this is the one I got for free for spending over, I think it was like $25. And here's the swatch of that one. It's like a lilac grayish color, but I would honestly never wear that color. That looks like death on my lips. So yeah. And then I got this High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss from LA Colors. I do like LA Colors products. They definitely have some good products in their like collection. They also have some misses, but I do like their products because they're more affordable. And I wanted to try like a different lip gloss to show you guys on my channel. And this is what it looks like. And again, it's their High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss. This is more like a dusty rose pink color. So super pretty color to wear on the lips. And then the last product that I have is by Bad Habit Beauty. You guys know I had to get another item from them. They actually just launched this eyeshadow palette last week, and this is the dupe to the Mario palette that he collabed with Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Artistry palette, and packaging is so gorgeous. It's black and gold. It has like the cracks all over it. So pretty. And let's open her up. Actually, do I want to open her up now or do a first impressions? I guess I could at least show you what it looks like. I'm not gonna have you sit here and wait that long. but I will dive into the palette more in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Here is the packaging, and then here is the actual palette. Again, it is the dupe for the Mario palette that he did with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So if you missed getting that palette, because I knew it was like a limited edition palette, you can definitely get your hands on this one. But again, I'll save it for a separate first impressions video. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much everything that I got from Shop Hush. Again, I will do another go around as far as like picking out some more stuff. But hope you guys enjoy my video. Like always, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.